Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are exploring one of West Auckland's most dramatic coastal trails. We are starting from Karekare Beach, climbing up Comans Track and heading all the way out to the Mercer Bay Coastal Lookout, one of the most impressive viewpoints on the entire West Coast. Let's get started. There is no parking on Watchman Road. It's a residents-only street, so you can't park at the trailhead. That's why we are starting down at the Karekare Beach car park. From there, it's just a short walk up Watchman Road to reach Comans Track. The track starts climbing up almost immediately, and trust me, you will feel this one in the legs. Comans Track takes you steeply up the ridge above Karekare, but the higher you go, the more rewarding the views become. As you look back, you will see Karekare Beach and the surrounding cliffs opening up behind you. Once you have gained up the ridge, the landscape completely transforms. The trail narrows into a spectacular clifftop walk with sweeping views over the Tasman Sea. This section is classic West Coast ruggedness, exposed cliffs, coastal forests, and that endless blue horizon. It's one of those stretches where you can't help stopping every few steps just to look around. Eventually, the track connects toward the Mercer Bay Loop area, and this is where the scenery really peaks. I also took the drone up here to capture the view from above, and the aerial shots give you a whole new perspective of these cliffs and the ocean below. The scale of this coastline is unreal from the air. You will see those cliffs in just a moment. The Mercer Bay Coastal Lookout sits right on the edge of some of the tallest sea cliffs in the Auckland region. From up here, the coastline stretches endlessly in both directions. It's dramatic, wild, and absolutely stunning. Since I did not record the return journey, here's a quick note about how I got back. I returned via Ahu Ahu Track, which is a gentler descent through native forest. It's sheltered and much calmer compared to the exposed coastal cliffs. If you plan to do the full loop, Ahu Ahu is a great way to finish, quieter, less steep, and it eventually brings you back towards Karekare. That's the end of today's adventure. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more New Zealand trail content. And let me know what track you want me to cover next. See you soon.